The Earth's Whisper. From oceans deep, where ancient currents sweep, a fiery breath, a primal rumbling roar, the Pacific's heart, a secret it would keep, then burst forth land where none had been before. Through molten birth from subterranean flame, Earth's fervent dance, where fire and ocean twine, each island forged by processes untamed, a monument to power, truly divine. Mountains ascend, a hardened, jagged grace, where mist-kissed peaks touch heavens, cool and high. Elemental echoes fill this hallowed space, a cradle carved beneath a boundless sky. Here, a deep spirit flows, in every leaf and stone, a vibrant pulse, a life force deeply bound. The land's pure soul, intrinsically known, to air and water, shaping hallowed ground. Esoteric whispers on the ocean breeze of deep-sea swells and forces that create a timeless bond with earth and ancient trees, a sacred tapestry defying fate. A minute's glimpse of wonders deep and old, the Pacific's magic in its fiery past, a story written, powerfully told, a legacy of nature built to last.